Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for coming by. So today's video, I know we've been talking about this a lot, but I'm going to show you the process of cashing out with Survey Junkie. So before I get into that, if you want to sign up for Survey Junkie and start making money filling out surveys, use my link in the description down below. You get a bonus of 25 points when you use my link and code. Yeah, you can download the app, you can do it on your phone, you can do it on your desktop, whatever. It's honestly not a bad way to make money right now. And I mean, I'm gonna get into the pros and cons too. And I'm also gonna show you a trick that I learned doing surveys on how to make more money, because at first I wasn't qualifying for a lot. And I was getting pretty frustrated because I was, sitting down to do the surveys and I would start them and then it'd say, oh, you don't qualify, or I don't know, the survey's filled. But I figured out how to beat that, how to get around that. So anyways, yeah, before I get started, use the link in the description down below and sign up and try to complete a survey at least. And here we go. I'm just gonna sync up my phone, go through the app and show you my earnings. So here we go, here is my app. So right off the bat, you can see I have 649 points, which equates to $6.49. So what I wanted to show you guys, so let me go into my points history really quick. So when you first sign up, what you're gonna do, here, let me see if I can go into my lifetime points. So when you first sign up, you will get down at the very bottom, you'll get a sign-up bonus, 25 points, right? So after you do that, you're gonna ask you some general profile questions in order to actually send you surveys. Another 50 points and the 25 points for completing your email. Now, what I didn't know, you can see right here at the very top, I tried to fill out a couple surveys and those ones I didn't qualify for. So they sent me 3 points. They said, oh, you don't qualify for this. It was like 60 point survey. You're gonna wanna do, so I can go up here, 60 points, 60 points, 60 points, 50, 50. Those are the ones you're gonna make money on. But as you can see, a lot of these I was only getting 3 or 2 points for. And the reason is because I didn't fill out all of these, see these 10-point ones? All these 10-point ones, you wanna do first. That's how you actually qualify for the surveys. And I didn't know that, and I just, learned that from trial and error. So the health questions, household questions, interest questions, travel questions, and at the very bottom, so I only did one at first, was the technology questions. So you wanna do all of those first. I'm just gonna tell you, save your time, don't even try to do the surveys until you do all of those ones. So again, do the technology ones, the shopping questions, health questions, household, interest questions, travels questions. You'll get 60 points for doing those because there's 6 of them, I think, or so. And then after that, then you want to go out and do all the other ones. And again, you can do the little survey medleys, couple points here and there. But the big paying ones, 60 points, 50 points, 45 points, 15 points, 60, 60. Those are the ones you're gonna make the most amount of money on. So how long did this take me to do to get $6.49? As you can see, just going back here, I started on 4/23. So I started almost a month ago, but you'll see I did it the first couple days a little bit, and then I took a huge break because I hadn't even done a survey yet, and I was like, you know what, this sucks. And I stopped at 4:30, and then a few days ago, I was like, you know what, let me try this again. And then the past couple days, I just did it here and there. And I honestly, $6.49. At the beginning, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys, I gave up after an hour, maybe even less, because I was trying to do the surveys. Honestly, I think I did for 30 minutes and didn't qualify. These last ones where I actually was doing the 60 points, 50 points, I was on it going, Now I go on a walk every single morning and I'll do a survey on my walk or on my break. And then these other ones, I just did it while I was watching TV. I have found, by the way guys, I just want to say this really quickly. I have found that they're really boring if you just sit down at your computer and you're like, okay, I'm gonna do a bunch of surveys. If you do that, you're gonna get bored. Trust me, I got really bored and I stopped after one survey. The best way to do it is turn on TV, turn on a movie or watch YouTube. Or go on a walk or something and do a survey while you're doing something else. Otherwise, you're gonna be bored out of your mind. I'm sorry, but these surveys are really boring. So I mean, some of them are pretty interesting, but I mean, for the most part, sitting down at a desk and doing them, you're gonna get bored fast. So turn on TV or something. I'm looking at my TV right here. Turn on your TV, sit back, relax, and do some surveys. I know I have a little TV set up right up there. I don't know if you can see it. And then I just sit back on that couch right there, pull up my phone and put on a movie, and yeah. So anyways, so now I'm gonna show you cashing out. So here we go. I'm gonna cash out your points, 649 points, $6.49. You can redeem with e-gift card. Choose from a popular selection including Target, Starbucks, Target, and Amazon, or you can cash out with PayPal, or now actually you can just do bank transfer. Wow, I didn't even know that. I thought you, oh no, maybe I did know that. So I'll probably just do, maybe can I see which, oh, they sent a verification code to your email. I think I'm gonna cash out later, but I just wanted to walk you through, because I wanna save up till I get 10 bucks. But I just wanted to walk you through the process. So again, you can do Starbucks, Target, and Amazon, or I think, yeah, Amazon or Starbucks is probably the most popular. But again, or you can cash out with PayPal or even bank transfer. So again, that's it. I just want to, you know, show you how it works. And then once you go down here, do this survey. So the bigger paying ones, you want to, oh yeah, by the way, here's one more trick. Sorry, I'm gonna try to end this. But these ones here, the red ones, you're not gonna qualify for most of these ones. You're gonna wanna do the green ones, like, or blue ones, the 75 points, or 30 points, the smaller ones. Like one of these ones, I'm pretty sure you'll qualify for. But if they're like these red ones, honestly, or even like 90 points for 13 minutes, like, you probably just, not to burst your bubble, but you're not gonna qualify for the big ones, as many of them, at least I haven't. So try, and then I also found the ones at the very top are the ones I do qualify for more. And if you, whatever, don't qualify for, or the survey's not loading, just quit the app and redo it. That's what I do. A lot of times I'll, like, here, maybe I can see if I can start this one. Let's see if it works. Yeah, see, they're just refreshing. I don't know why. Okay, here we go. So yeah, sometimes you just gotta click a bunch, and like here, yeah, they asked me to complete some questions. I'm not gonna go through it, it's boring, but yeah, I just wanted to show you the process. Do those surveys at the top, and yeah, that's it. Again, use my code and link in the description down below to get that 25 points bonus, and then you'll be well on your way to get $5 cashed out or more. As you can see, I got, you know, I got $6.47. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'll talk to you all soon. Have a good day. Bye.